a soil to mix with the water. So when they mix, it can cause the floor to be dirty. So it is not a nice view for people to see, especially at a workplace. Okay, next. So the second one is problem statement. One of the problem is doing the sweeping or mopping with wrong body position can affect the human head, which is their backbone. The second one is straight squeegee is hard to control the direction flow of water. So that's why for our project we use a curved squeegee to control the water easily. The last one is moving large amount of water manually can be easily exhausted. Especially for elder people, we usually see at a mall or at a school. So it's such a hard time for them. Okay, next. So for our literature review, we are showing a related project which is blower air sweep. If we see on YouTube, blower air sweep is on the channel of TIL LLC. So the first one, this project can push the water on the raw place, and it need to lift the end of the nozzle to push the water. So it is such a disadvantage for them. Next, the blower need to repeat couple of times to make sure the water have been completely moved. So the remaining water behind made this project need to repeat couple of times just to move the water into the drain. And the last one is the blower. The blower look like it's heavy to lift and need to carry around the area. Okay, next. So for our project M is to build a robot control project to move the water using the app on the phone. Okay, next. Our project objective is need to design a project using Arduino Mega 2560 as microcontroller and to control the project direction via Bluetooth. So our project only can be used using an app on a phone. So it need to design especially on Arduino IDE or Proteus. So the next one is to design the schematic circuit of the project using Proteus App Professional. The next one is to develop an application needed to communicate with the circuit through HC06 Bluetooth module using MIT App Inventor. And the last one is to create this project design using SolidWorks. Okay, next. So for the scope of project is this project only use the application made for it upload on the phone as a controller to move. So basically this has only one controller. It is a smartphone, so we cannot use such as PS2 or any other controller. It's only used if we install the app. The next one is this project can only move 10 meter due to Bluetooth connection. The next one is the rubber edge of squeegee can last 4 to 6 hours if it used to continuously. And the last one is this project use Bluetooth as communication between the smartphone and the microcontroller. So I will let my friend to explain the rest of the slide. Thank you.
Next is approach and methodology. This is our block diagram. Our smartphone is actually input, and then the process is Arduino Mega 2560, and then the output is to water squeegee robot. And for the HC06 Bluetooth module, it will transmit the signal from the smartphone to Arduino Mega to process the movement of our robot. Next is our flowchart. As you can see, from the start, the Bluetooth connect. We will connect our Bluetooth with our smartphone using HC06, and then we will open application, and the application will ask if the mobile device Bluetooth is on. If it's not connect, it will request the user to turn on the mobile Bluetooth. If it connect, it will read the button that we push, and then depends on the number of the button, it will turn or move accordingly to the button that we push. This is the component that we use. Arduino Mega 2560 for our microcontroller. HC06 Bluetooth module for Bluetooth connection. 12V DC motor for our robot movement. MDD10A dual channel motor driver to move our motor. Power relay module to control the big volt that's going to be used. Curve squeegee to control the flow of the water easily. 12-volt battery to supply our project. Black & Decker 18-volt max lithium sweeper will be used as our blower in our project, and then the wheels will be used to move our project around. This is the software that we use. SolidWorks will be used to create the design for our project. MIT App Inventor will be used to create the app to control our project. Proteus will be used to make the schematic circuit for our project, and then Arduino IDE will be used to make a coding to connect from Bluetooth to our Arduino. Next is our Gantt chart. This is the activity that we did during the 6 week. And then the next is preliminary project outcomes. This is the app that we make for our project. We make using MIT App Inventor. And then for the coding, we use the block programming from the MIT App Inventor to code the to code the connection from the Bluetooth to Arduino. Also for the movement of the button to send the signal to the Arduino Mega. This is the coding that we have for now to connect the Bluetooth to our Arduino Mega, and also to move our motor according to the button. And then for our conclusion for our project is that this project can move the direction of flow of the water easily. The second is that some of the objectives are achieved. For example, the app that we made have finished. The third is this project will help people by reducing the risk of getting the back pain, so that people can easily.
Bengkel. Ada bengkel.
This is the end of our slide.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go back to your schematic diagram.
Schematic diagram.
Ni bahasa Jepun ni. Shika.
Ni biar tak betul ni.
Atikah,
Yes.
bagikan schematic diagram.
Sama. Sama.
Schematic
Tak
diagram.
dengar apa ya.
Yang tu.
Schematic diagram.
Saya lagi.
Schematic kita tak ada lagi.
Ha? Schematic tak ada lagi? Mana schematic tak ada lagi? Oh, tak ada schematic. Tertinggal lah tu.
Tinggal kat sisi.
Potong markah sikit.
Allah.
Projek awak guna relay. Kenapa function relay? What's the function of relay in your project?
Aduh, tak nampak. Power relay ni bagi ada masa untuk dia boleh berhenti dan terus berjalan.
Dia untuk control high voltage supaya Arduino Mega tak rosak, microcontroller tak rosak, sebab dia microcontroller Arduino Mega hanya terima 5 volt, tapi barang yang akan digunakan adalah lebih daripada volt yang ditetapkan. So relay dipakaikan untuk nak control barang yang pakai volt besar.
Ya, Atikah betul lah. Hampir betul lah jawapan tu lah. Betul lah. Nabila betul. Kena check balik. Ada kaitan dengan masa pula, bagi masa berhenti. Right. Apa itu je. Encik Muhammad, soalan.
Sesi Zainal.
Si Zainal.
What's around week of your final project? Finish project. Berapa
Tak
berat?
jelas.
Tak dengar, tak jelas.
Tak jelas.
Apa sih?
Mana mic aku berapa berat yang finish project atau week complete project kan, nanti dah siap semua base apa semua berapa agak anggaran dalam berapa kg?
kg. Sekejap.
Dimension pun okey lah, dimension.
Saya tak berapa dengar. Macam putus-putus.
Since Zainal asking you what is the estimate total weight of your project?
Total project.
Berapa berat anggaran berat dalam 10 ke atas macam tu, sebab ada campur dengan tayar dengan barang-barang dia yang besi.
Ada. Ada.
10 kilogram.
Kena design ada? Using SolidWorks.
Design ada.
Where is your mechanical design?
Apa sensor?
Mechanical design kat SolidWorks.
SolidWorks kita orang tak buat lagi sebab dia besar. Macam software dia besar.
Apa kaitan dengan software besar pula dengan awak punya ni?
Kami lukis
Lagi
pakai pensel. Kami lukis pakai pensel.
Ini FYP 1 tekan pakai pensel, lepas tu kena pasal SolidWorks.
Itu objektif yang tak tercapai lagi.
Bagi rendah markah ni.
Mana? Sensei Muhaimin tu hebat mekanik ni. Design SolidWorks tu. Tanya dia lah.
Bagi rendah,
thank
bagi
you.
rendah, bagi rendah, bagi rendah.
Thank you for your presentation. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Terima kasih Sensei.
Selesai.
Dah.